Welcome back everybody. Happy New Year first of all. Hope you're all safe and well and had a great New Year's. But we've come out today to Lake Tinaroo. So we're going to have a bit of a look around the area and check it out. So they do have a few shops here, caravan park, lots of tables and chairs and a couple of barbecues around and a few play areas. I'll just give you a bit of a look. I'm just down in the Foreshore Park area, which is pretty cool. So you got some barbecues on the far side over there. Seats around, nice little play area as well. And some ladies feeding some cockies up here, which is pretty cool. Let's see if I can get over there and take a little bit.
I think they've got some young ones around too.
Okay, up in the trees there.
Yeah.
Don't worry about you at all.
They
These
don't,
ones.
do they?
No.
I think she's got something for it. Yeah.
So we've just driven up and around the corner out of Lake Tinaroo and we've come across the dam spillway. So you can see we're at the bottom of it. Amazing how big this thing is. It's not flowing over, as we can see. Obviously haven't had enough rain up here as of yet. We do have it pumping out over the bottom there. We thought we'd just give you a quick look. Pretty cool spot. Jump back in the car and see what else we can find. So if you keep following the road around, you'll get to from the bottom of the dam wall up to the top. I think it just keeps going right around the lake by the look of it. We're not sure. There's a little information bit which I'm going to go and have a look at in a minute. But we thought I'd show you just the top of the wall while we're here. As you can see, it's a fair bit off the top spillway there. Nice view though. You can see it just keeps going around. You can camp past here, you got to pre-book only though. There's the bottom part. Obviously can't walk out there, but still a nice spot. Have a quick look. Won't even see if I can put the drone up. So I got a little bit of information in this part here. Just the little bits around where we are now. Campgrounds. Go cycling around in here. Lookouts, boating, fishing stuff. Bit of history. These are camp spots. What you can have there, what you can't. Generators and no generators. So we found this as we were driving along. It's the chimneys. And all you got is the two chimneys that are left out of two buildings that they'd had here. Which is pretty cool, seeing that they were 1920s. Can pause and have a bit of a read there. Nice hidden away little spot. It's still open to this day. Pretty cool. There's little cool flowers underneath the trees on top of a wild flower. So we're going to keep driving and see what else we can find. I think there's a really big fig tree up a bit further, so hopefully we can find that one. That'll be pretty cool to see. But yeah, let's keep going. So we found this big fig tree, and it's 100 metres from the car park to go up for a walk to it. So yeah, let's walk on up and have a look. Just a little bit of information. You can see we were around here before, travelled right around all the way over to here. All different camp spots through here, different types. Day use areas, walking tracks. Yeah, but let's head on up. Go and check out this fig tree. As you can hear all the birds and cicadas, things like that. Very rainforest through here. Quite nice little walk.